Hello. What does arthroscopic knee surgery consist of? In arthroscopic knee surgery, basically a camera which is introduced through a small portal in the knee. That is, a small opening is made in the knee joint and the camera is introduced. Through another small opening, the other instruments are introduced, such as laser instruments and other microscopic endoscopic instruments, and repair of the inside meniscus and ligaments is carried out. So basically, arthroscopic knee surgery consists of minimally invasive surgery with use of camera, laser, and endoscopic instrumentation. These are minimally invasive surgeries, and recovery from arthroscopic knee surgery is very fast. Generally, sports injuries can be carried out, repaired with the use of arthroscopic knee surgery. Thank you.